So you just got the new Android phone and don't want to lose your contacts, your photo, your apps and messages. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to restore your data to a new Android phone. I'll use my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and also cover under other Android phones so everyone can follow along. Let's go. All right, so before we begin, you make sure your old phone is charged, your new phone is charged, and you're connected to Wi-Fi. It's true you can use cable, but yeah, you make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi, and also that your Google account is backed up. Watch my previous video on how to back up your account. All right, now to restore, okay, so the best option would be to restore during setup. Just restore when you first get your new phone. When you are on this screen, this is when on your new phone you see, when you first turn on your phone, you come on this screen, you will tap the start, you tap the start button, and the next will be to connect to a Wi-Fi. So the next, select connect to a Wi-Fi, and then the next will be to sign in to your account, either this Google account, Samsung account here, or you can skip for that. You have options, right? But this is the best way to set up. And then, all right, so the next option will be to, you will see where after you connect to Wi-Fi, you will see copy app and data. You tap that, right? And then you choose your old phone. When you tap this, the next screen will be to choose your old phone or a backup source, which is in this case your old phone. Okay, and you can, from there you can transfer the apps, the contacts, the photos and videos, SMS messages, or even settings. So this is the easiest and most complete way to restore everything when you first get your phone the first time. But if for any reason that you skip, like you skip any of these steps, like instead of going start, you skip any of this, right? If you do that, you can now there's another way that you can transfer, which will be using the smart switch. So it's an app. It comes pre-installed on Samsung phones, on Galaxy, not just Samsung, Galaxy phones. So smart switch, that's an app, is this one. So when you can use this, this is another way to transfer phones using this smart switch. So on this Samsung Galaxy phone now, right, you go to your settings, or you go to the app, it comes pre-installed, you open the app and you tap to bring data from old phone. So you see how you see the screen, so you're either sending from this phone. So on your new phone, it will be to receive on this phone, assuming this phone that I'm holding now is the one that I'm setting up. So I'll have to select receive on this phone. Then on the old phone, if it happens to be a Samsung also, or you open it, and on that phone you choose this one, you choose to send from that phone, right? So now you can try, when you choose any of those, you can, let me assuming say I'm sending from this phone, right? So the next option will be to, you can, how to get connected. So you can transfer using cable, like type C to, they have type C to type C cable. So you can use cable, it's the fastest way, or you can do wireless. So it's either wireless or cable, but cable is the fastest. Or there's another option from a backup. All right, now you select what you want, and once you get connected, right, you have to be on, if you're using the Wi-Fi, your new phone and the old phone has to be on the same Wi-Fi. All right, so select what you want, your apps, your photos, your contacts, messages, even your home screen layout. If you have a set up a different, like a particular home screen layout, if you want that transfer, it will also transfer to the new phone. So now, and then you tap transfer. All right, so the next one will be to restore from Google backup. This is after you skip all this, you know, if you skip the steps when turning on your new phone, you skip if you skip the setup step. So this case now, you will have to go to settings, assuming you already set up your phone and you skip that step. So you go on the settings and you tap accounts and backup, this one, accounts and backup, right? And you here now you select restore data to restore data, or you can access that when you go to Google and then backup. You know, if you go on Google, you sign in and restore your saved data. All right, okay. If you don't have a Samsung, I mean, this is the same for all Android phones, but if you're using the phones like Google Pixel, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this well, the process is almost the same. You know, during setup, you choose copy apps and data, or you go to settings. If you go to settings and then to Google, like it will bring you to this. If you go to settings, to Google, and then backup and restore, like that. Some brands, you know, some brands also have their own transfer app. You know how Samsung have Smart Switch, Pixel have theirs, data transfer tool, OnePlus has clone phone, Xiaomi has Mi Mover. So if you have those phones, if you don't want to use Google, you want a particular app for the phone brand, yeah, they have that, like similar to Samsung Switch, Smart Switch. All right, so some common mistakes to avoid: don't skip the restore screen during setup. It's harder later. So this thing is better when you first got your new phone to do it properly than when you first got the phone. So then make sure backup is turned on before switching phones. So watch my previous video on how to back up your phone. So before you restore, before you switch phone, make sure you back up your old phones. Okay, now use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data for faster transfer. So if you have access to Wi-Fi, it's better to use Wi-Fi. All right, so if you want everything exactly like your old phone, use a cable transfer. It's faster and more complete than wireless. So they have this Type C to Type C cables now that you can use to connect two phones, right? So Type C to Type C, you get that cable, is fastest way to do it. All right, so that's how to restore all data to new Android phone quickly and safely. So comment your phone model if you need help. I'll guide you step by step. See you in the next one.